So what we got here today is the DS1307 RTC, and I've fitted the DS18B20 Dallas temperature sensor to it. It's got provision for it. When you buy this, that's blank, and you can populate it with a temperature sensor. There's a pull-up for the data line. It's a 5K6. Got an Arduino Uno here, and displayed over here is the time, the temperature, and the date. A clock and thermometer, as simple as that. Over here it has some I2C flash. That's 32 kilobytes of memory. If you wish to use it, you just have to populate these pins over here, and you can use some memory if you need that. So that's the temperature sensor. Right, I think we've said enough about it. An awesome day further. Take care, and we'll see you next time for more fun stuff. Thanks. Cheers.